Hello, welcome to 365 Days of GIS Tools. This is the third tutorial and we are going to be using a raster. We are going to create points from this raster and we are going to export the points as a CSV file. So let's get started. So I have a raster with elevation values. Here we can see the values of the elevation. The red colors are larger values and the blue colors are smaller values. So what I want to do is to convert this raster to points, and we are going to be using the raster to point tool. So we can open the processing toolbox. The processing toolbox is in processing toolbox, and we can write raster to point, and we're going to be using raster pixels to point. So here we have the elevation layer, and then we can add a field name. So the field name in this case is going to be elab, and I am going to create a temporary layer. You can save your file wherever you want, and then run. So this is how we get the points. If we go to the attribute table of the points, we can see the elevation values, and that's it. We don't have any more information about these points. We only have the elevation. So here we have the elevation, and we want to get the coordinates as well of these points. So we are going to be creating a new column, two new columns, one for X and one for Y. So we are going to be using the field calculator. We can edit, so we can save our files and then open field calculator. So here we're going to create a new field, and the output field name is going to be X coordinate or X coord. And the function that we are going to be using in this white square is going to be $X. This way we get the X coordinate, and then we click OK, and here we have the X coordinate, and now we're going to get the Y coordinates as well. So we are going to go again to open field calculator. The new name is going to be Y coord, and we are going to write $Y. Okay, so that's how we add the X and Y coordinate. And now we have elevation for each point, X coordinate and Y coordinate. So if we select this point, for example, and then we go to the attribute table again and show selected features. So we can see that this point has a value of elevation, the X coordinate and Y coordinate, and that's the same for all of the points. So now we are going to export the table, and we are going to get a CSV file, and this file we can open it in Excel or in the Notepad, or we can work with the file outside QGIS. So I am going to save my edits, just toggle editing mode and save. So now we right click on vector points and export. So save feature as. And we're going to select the format, CSV, comma separated values. And then we're going to select a file name, save, and we can assign a coordinate system. This system is fine for me, and then OK. So now I am going to open this file, and this is how it looks. So I am opening it in a text software or in numbers in Mac, but we can open it in Excel as well. So we can say open with Excel, or we can open Excel and add the data. So here it is. We opened it in Excel, and now we can work with this file as well. This is it for the tutorial. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.